Afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, still Wednesday, January the 17th, 2024. It's also war day number 693 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. And today I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary, and this one will be number 7817. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Alright, so let's get started. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Yeah, between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. And double O. Here 1, there 1. Well. And now. Between the O's comes an 1. Alright, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's not helping me. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, also 3. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing, I believe. Yeah. Question is. Oh, wait. Overlooked 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay. 101. We need to compare. Need to compare. Question is the rows or the columns? 101 here. We have a 101 here. Not quite the same. This column and that column. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 1 2 3 4 5 0. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. In 7 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.